Hello gorgeous people, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how to achieve this soft pink smoky eye look apt for your day occasions. I have already done my base makeup. You can check our 5-minute work from home makeup video to know more about it. For the eye makeup I will be taking an eyeliner pencil that has peachy tone to it. With a pencil brush I will line my eyelid, keeping it very close to the lash line. Repeat the same procedure for the other eye. Choose any eye palette with soft pink tones. Taking an angular flat brush of this kind, I will pick a soft pink color and place it right over the eyeliner in dabbing motions. Picking a neutral brown eyeshadow on a pencil brush, I will line my lower lash line. Taking compact powder on a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, I will soften the edges of my eye makeup. Picking a combination of brown and pink on a medium fluffy brush, I will define my crease. With a bronzer, I will soften the crease shadow. With a brow mascara, I will define both my eyebrows. Finish your look by applying mascara on your upper and lower lashes. Voila! We have achieved a soft pink smoky eye look apt for your day occasions. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye till next time.